It's my room. Now I'm gonna miss it. I have reached Bombay at almost 11 o'clock and collected my bags, and now we'll be playing for a hotel, and we'll have a night over there, like we'll stay there, and tomorrow in the afternoon we'll leave for airport again and flight to Tokyo. Phase 2. Okay, bye. So currently I'm at Bombay's airport. Yeah, so it's almost 2 in the afternoon, and my friend will come, and then probably we'll go in the. I'm nervous as fuck, and I have to make a video on my assignment, so I'll just probably edit that and upload that. Huh? हाँ जो शांति बोलो કે क्या हुआ तो का वीडियो મૂકવાની છું.
Best of luck, good luck, and
Keep
no. Ferrari booking 2 years now.
ચાલો
બીજું શું કરશો તમે કેનેડા જઈને?
વિડીયો બનાવીશું, ભણીશું, કામ બામ કરીશું, દેશનું નામ રોશન કરીશું.
આપણે દિશા ગરબા ઓર્ગેનાઇઝ કરવાના છે.
અલા હા,
યસ
વર્ષમાં 4 વાર કરીશું.
ચાર નવરાત્રી
હા,
પણ
હોય છે,
વરસાદ
4 નવરાત્રી હોય છે
કદાચ કેનેડામાં બરફ કે વરસાદ પડે તો
તો અંડરગ્રાઉન્ડ
ના તો જીન્સના પેન્ટ પહેરીને કરજો, પણ કરજો ખરા, ઘરે આવીને તોડફોડ ના કરતા.
પાક્કું.
ઓકે
ઓકે ઓકે. We are waiting here from almost 1 hour or something, and still we are not able to get a boarding pass, so it's just frustrating, but let's hope. So we are currently waiting for a boarding passes, and I don't know. Hello. So I just got my boarding pass, got my security checking done, got immigration done, and now I'm sitting here. લાઈક જો આ બધી વસ્તુઓ આખા ગામને લાઈક બેઝિકલી હું આખું આણંદને લઈને જઈ રહી છું. ઓકે, માય લેગ્સ આર હર્ટિંગ અ બેટ બિકોઝ આમ લોકો બોર્ડિંગ પાસ માટે 2 કલાક જેવું લાઈનમાં ઊભા રહ્યા હતા. આઈ ડોન્ટ નો વાય દે ટુક ધસ લોંગ, બટ સહી લઈ ગયે. હાય, સો વી હેવ ક્લિયર્ડ ફેઝ 2 ઓલમોસ્ટ. હવે તાકાત નહીં, ઢીલું ઢૂસ થઈ ગયું છે શરીર આખું, બટ સ્ટીલ આઈ એમ એનર્જેટિક. I don't know if લોકો કેવી રીતે માસ્ક પહેરે છે આખો દિવસ, but see, the thing is, you know, if you are traveling, get this thing, like you see, I just don't know. આ કેવું આવે છે એવું લઈ લેવાનું, તો you will be able to wear mask like pretty well. Like if you think that this is fun, it is indeed it is, like, you know, લાઈફમાં if બધી વસ્તુ તમને ઇઝીલી મળી જતી હશે ને તો એની વેલ્યુ તમે કોઈ દિવસ નહીં કરો, and this trip is going to be the most memorable one. But yeah, just stay strong. You have to keep yourself very strong and motivated, because it is really tiring. Like ઢીલું ઢૂસ થઈ જવાશે if you know you give up, like હજુ કેટલું, because તમારા પાસે આટલી બધી બેગ્સ ના હોવી જોઈએ. મારા પાસે છે, because girls, you know, આ જોઈએ પેલું જોઈએ બધું જોઈએ. So oh yeah, one important thing, my bags were exceeding by 3 kg weight, so somehow they were kind enough to, you know, let me allow it, but they asked me to get that 3 kg out of my check-in bag to my cabin bag, so that's why I have this extra bag with me. I got the orders. Now we'll be going to our gate, and this is going good so far. So now my flight is from Bombay to Tokyo. I don't know how many hours the flight is, but definitely 5 to 6 hours or more. Anyways, I'll see you in Tokyo. Bye. So episode I cannot travel to Tokyo to watch Olympics, I can transit from here. It's all the same. Wish I could go here. This is the official version. Look at this. Look at this. So I got this one. Yeah. So I cannot be in Olympics obviously because I'm not a sport person anyways, but this is all I can do. Buy merch and be happy that I'm at least in the place where Olympics is being conducted. Well, I was expecting to see some Indian players, but obviously I don't think so anyone is going back to India right now. I swear I'm sleepy as fuck. Like, I just changed my lens, I changed my clothes already, and will board the flight in few minutes, and I'm fucked up. Like, बहुत गंदे होंगे आज मेरे फ्लाइट में जी जैसे नींद गिर जाए. Can't, like this shit is so much tiring. Like, heads off to people who are traveling by indirect route. Like, it's nothing much. એટલું બધું કંઈ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ કે ખાસ નહીં, બટ યુ નો ઇફ તમારી કોલેજ ચાલુ હોય અસાઇનમેન્ટ્સ હોય ને બધું બધું કામ કરવાનું હોય, પેકિંગ વેકિંગ બધું છેલ્લી ટાઈમે કર્યા હોય ને તો યુ ગેટ ફોક્ડ અપ. લાઈક, હા, બી સ્ટ્રોંગ. ઓકે, ચલો ભાઈ, આઈ બોર્ડ માય ફ્લાઇટ. સો આઈ ડોન્ટ નો ફ્લાઇટ को देखा है, but it's good. Like, see, leaving Tokyo, I wish, like, મને એવી ફિલિંગ જ નથી આવતી કે આઈ એમ ગોઈંગ ટુ ગો, લાઈક યુ નો અહીંયા જ રહી જવું છે, ઓલિમ્પિક્સ જોવા જવું છે. બટ ઓકે, being here is also a big thing for me. Phase 3 from Tokyo to Mexico City, and here we go. Bye. This ain't the flight, it is a city bus now. Just look at this, like, આખી ફ્લાઇટ ભરેલી છે, ઉપર બેગ રાખવાની જગ્યા રહી. Like, I got my bag and now we'll get our COVID test done and we'll go to room. Here we'll get our COVID test done. This is the struggle. देखो, we are dead, exhausted. इतना ही है बस, बहुत बड़ा नहीं है और इतना फैंसी भी नहीं है, बट इट्स गुड. लुक एट दिस. ओके, सो बेसिकली ये अपना रूम है. दैट्स इट. These are the vibes and I'm dressed up like this. Nah, nothing, just sad as fuck. Morning sheets, perfect. And yes, अपना इंडिया गोल्ड मेडल लाया in javelin throw by Gaurav Chopra. I'm so happy, but I couldn't watch it. But anyways, congratulations. Grateful, thankful and blessed. Okay, so we are in Mexico right now and this is our last day. and we'll check out at 1 p.m. and then we'll go to airport, we'll roam around, eat some good food like Mexican food. One thing about Mexico is that they have amazing food. Like, you'll have to just travel here to just eat, like, no doubt. It was so good. Like, and I'm looking pretty. Wait, this is what I'm wearing. And we have a nice room as well. I'm so happy to be here. Like, okay, the flight from Tokyo to Mexico was quite tiring, but this is all worth it. Like, मजा आ गई. We ate a lot. Breakfast बहुत मस्त था. And now I'll be finishing some little bit packing here and that stuff. And you're ready to go to Canada. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Like, finally. See you in Canada. Okay, not in Canada. I will keep you updated how my baggage and the travel journey happens and immigration in Canada and everything. But let's say bye for now. Okay, bye. Canada. अरे भाई हंसो. लग हंसने. Now talking about my experience of entering Canada, it was very easy and convenient. We all had to just fill a form on a computer. Like, there was a screen, you have to fill some details, and then you'll have to, I mean, you have to like show some documents like, are you fully vaccinated, and which college you are going to, which course and stuff. Then they will send you to another room. Probably that's for immigration, for getting your work and student permit. Yes, so we were in a line. Then my turn came. It was simple. See, I didn't have to do anything. They only asked me for my passport, for my offer letter, then which college I'm going to again, and which course. They asked for, like, if I'm fully vaccinated. I said yes, and that's it. Like, I didn't have to do anything else. I was just waiting. They gave me my work permit because I have like, my program has co-op, so we have to do 3 months externship, and then they gave me my study permit. So basically, they will ask you to check the question, like check the details. If there is a spelling mistake, you have to let them know on the spot, or else you'll have to suffer a lot. I mean, I don't know the consequences, but if you be like ના મારે નહીં ચેક કરું, નીકળી જાઉં છું, બહુ ઉતાવળ છે. Don't do that. Keep patience. This is the most important thing, or else you'll have a big problems in future. So basically, બધી ડિટેલ ચેક કરવાની, your spelling mistakes, passport number ને બધું ચેક કરી લેવાનું, and then you're good to go. Like, કંઈ નહીં, સિમ્પલ. that આટલું સિમ્પલ છે. if તમારી આખી ફાઇલ રેડી હશે, if તમારું ડોક્યુમેન્ટેશન બધું પ્રોપર પ્રિપેર્ડ હશે, લાઈક કોઈ લોચા લાપસીવાળું કામ નહીં હોય તમારું. સો મેક શ્યોર કે તમારી ફાઇલમાં બધા ડોક્યુમેન્ટ્સ હોય. વિચ ડોક્યુમેન્ટ્સ ટુ કેરી એનું હું અલગ વિડીયો બનાવીશ. સો સબસ્ક્રાઈબ. અને એ બધું પતી ગયું પછી વી વેન્ટ ટુ કલેક્ટ આ બેગ્સ કલેક્ટ કરી પછી વી હેડ ટુ ગીવ આર કોવિડ ટેસ્ટ. સો કોવિડ ટેસ્ટ લીધો એરપોર્ટ પર. દેટ્સ ફ્રી. એન્ડ દેન કોવિડનો ટેસ્ટ આપીને પછી યુ આર ગુડ ટુ ગો. એરપોર્ટની બહાર નીકળો, તમે રાજા. સો ઇફ તમે ફૂલ્લી વેક્સિનેટેડ હશો, વિથ ધ ફેક્ટ કે કોવિશિલ્ડ છે, નોટ કોવેક્સિન. હજુ ખાલી Covaxin is not approved by WHO, so make sure if you're getting vaccinated, it's only Covishield, and make sure that you get both vaccinated, like both dose. And if you're traveling, the gap between your final dose and date of traveling or entering in Canada should be 14 days, like it's 2 weeks. So make sure you do that, or else you won't be considered in fully vaccinated category, or you'll be not exempted if you are not, like, you have those cap between your days, whatever. So yeah. If I'm missing anything, okay, someone asked me that do I have to sign a declaration form? No. So the route I came was from, like I explained in the whole video, it was from Ahmedabad to Bombay by car, Bombay to Tokyo by flight, Tokyo to Mexico by flight. So from Bombay to Tokyo, Tokyo to Mexico, they were like connecting flights, so I just had to give my baggage in Bombay itself, and I got it directly in Mexico. But we had a 9 hours hold in Tokyo, so we were like, chilling and everything. And then from Tokyo to Mexico, it was like 12 hours flight, and it was the longest. Like, I have never spent this time in a flight. You won't even, like, I mean, please sleep, but if you are comfortable. But we were not able to sleep because 2 કલાકમાં ઊંઘ ઉડી જાય, like, આ શું કરે છે. Anyways, yeah, so બહુ વહેલી ઊંઘ ઉડી જતી, like, I don't know. So it was really boring, but make sure તમે movies download કરો કે song કરો જે પણ ફ્લાઇટમાં હશે. But if you want to watch something that you like, do that. And yeah, Mexicoમાં we landed on 7th, yeah, 7th land થયા. So flightમાં they will give a declaration form only in Mexico, and that's also like an immigration form, it's not a declaration form. So yeah, when you land in Mexico, they'll ask for that form, and then you'll have to like submit that form. They'll ask for few documents like what is your passport, where is the offer letter, how many days you are going to stay here, where you are going to stay. It depends, like yeah. So ours was very simple, and the best thing that we got was our agent booked our hotels in the airport itself. Like, we didn't have to transit to other place or other part of the city or anything. So yeah, we carried our bags, and yeah, we went to our hotel. We checked in, we got fresh, we bathed, and then we ate food, and we were chilling. Yeah, that's about it. Then from Mexico, after one night, the other day in the afternoon, we had to check out at 1 or something. Then we went to airport, and we were just roaming around, like, yeah. So we'll have to do this. Mexico, like for boarding, they'll ask you, like, this is the most important part from Mexico, because that particular place you are going to Canada, like they will be asking for stuff like, again, your vaccinated certificates, your offer letter, your passport, and important details. Now make sure that your medical is valid, it is not expired, you have all the necessary data that they ask. You have to be confident, you have to take care of your bags and everything, because what happened when I was traveling, this girl, I don't know what happened exactly, but basically the backstory is like she didn't get her medical updated, or maybe her medical was expired, so she wasn't allowed to travel. And in the tension, like from moving back and forth, she lost both of her bags. Like either they got stolen or she lost it, I don't know. She wasn't basically able to go to Canada also. So this was about that case. So make sure your all the documents are valid, and it is like, on point, like, because that's the most important thing. And then yeah, take care of your luggage, because this is going to be a lot stressful. You have to carry your bags everywhere, and yeah, just take care of your handbag in which you're carrying all your documents. And then yeah, this is the most important thing. Please be careful in Mexico or any other country before you're entering to Canada, because if you lose anything, imagine the consequences you're going to face. Like, it's really stressful. Even with everything we had on point, we were still worried about how we'll go, how, like, what will they ask us if we miss on something. Like, it's all obviously if you have traveled to other countries, but still this is the first time you are visiting as a student. Also, I have been to so many countries, but still, being a student, international student, I was going to a country for the first time. So it's different. Like, if you go for traveling or vacation purpose, they don't ask you for things like this. They'll just check your tickets, they'll just probably ask for your hotel documents and stuff. But when you are going for study purpose, make sure that all of your documents are on point, because again, if you lose or miss on anything, it's very difficult, because not only you will be sent back to your country, but it will affect on your file or status. What if you are coming here to study, please study. Make your parents proud. uh, don't waste your fees, because it's really expensive. Even if you're rich, study well, work on time. I don't know, I'm not the person, thinking about I want to earn money, because what I think is I'm capable of working hard, and I'll study in this period, and then I'll be able to cover those money in my work permit time. So please don't waste your time working 40 hours or more in this study permit or whatever, because if you will be caught, you will be deported, and you will be never allowed to come in Canada. Like, even you won't be allowed to maybe go to other countries, because this will stay on your passport data. So please don't do any stupidity here, and yeah, be careful. And that's about it. So after we came to Canada, yeah, my friends came to pick me, and I'm here living. And currently we are like living here temporarily, and we'll be shifting to a new place next month. So that's about it. Let's hope for the best, and please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family who are also coming to Canada, students or visitors or spouses or anything. Please subscribe and support me. I'll see you next. Bye.